Wet doormat. That thing has seen better days. It rained yesterday, and pretty good. Sorry for the shaky cam. You'll see why in a bit. I was out with the Big Six yesterday, and Whiff and I went out to Aldi. We came back, still raining, but it's nice and warm in the car, and pulled the car back in the driveway, and I said, oh wait, let's go past that house that burned down that they were doing work on. Well, I threw it back in drive and went around the block. Let me show you. So this is my corner. We're across the street from it anyways. And at that next block is where the house is. So, like I said, it really is on the next block. Another interesting thing that I'm going to tell you about, as soon as we get up there, which is kind of interesting. I don't know what the deal is with the porta potty here. That's new. I guess they're having work done. They got a dumpster. Didn't catch fire or nothing. But this house has been here. I've seen the people that live here. I don't know their names. Temporary mailbox. See this fence? That got run through with a car one day. I think we're gonna, there's a van there, so I think we're gonna cross the street, and I'm just gonna keep going. They tore it the fuck down. I went past this yesterday, completely torn down, and now they're building a new house there. They got all their stuff. So I don't know why they were taking stuff out of the house. That was kind of weird. But the fence I showed you before that a car went through, I remember it was like very early on when I moved here. It was like a year in, and it was the summer. And it was daytime, maybe 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. And I was off, and I said, let me go in the pool. It's nice and hot out. So I went to do that. And I had heard a crash. And I ran down one block. The cops came and all that. And somebody had run a stop sign and crashed through that. And hit another car that was there. It wasn't a big deal. Eventually they got the fence fixed, but that's scary to just have a car just drive through your backyard like that. It happens. We've seen it on the interwebs, but that was really odd. There's a lot of McMansions on this side of the street here. Maybe they all burned down at one point. I don't know, but you got a McMansion over here. This one is kind of like, with the blue car, it's kind of like my house, but different. They converted the garage to not a garage, and they got a window up by the chimney there. Things like that. And then you got a smaller McMansion, and then a big McMansion. American flag, well, that kind. It's just another nice day in January. 50 degrees once again. Sun is out. It's kind of cloudy as you see, but hey, it is what it is, you know. Because I'm Jay, well, jaywalk, you know. These things happen. I always thought about what it would be like to live in a McMansion like that, but I can't afford that. So there's a mixture of, here's another McMansion, mixture of older and newer homes and whatnot around. This one's been built up, whatever it is. But yeah, I just wanted to take you past there. That's really all I got. And today I guess I was brazen enough to record a video. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.